You spend hours tweaking prompts to get the perfect response. And when you try to repeat it, everything changes completely. But what if I told you there's a way to make AI always give you the same result? This is where FlowAI comes in. It lets you organize every step with logic and sequence, ensuring that the AI always follows the same path. And this is possible thanks to its topological sorting system, which arranges your prompts and responses in a structured, repeatable flow. With FlowAI, you can save, download, and load flows whenever you want. It has an intelligent caching system. If you don't change anything, the AI will give you the exact same response. And on top of that, it's compatible with the OpenAI and Google Gemini APIs. With FlowAI, you get the results you expect with high quality, total precision, and as many times as you need. So stop wasting time tweaking AI over and over again. You can visit my page for more info and get the code from the link in the description. And remember, if you want to learn how to build your own AI applications, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media.